Hello, my name is Steve Baker, and today I'd like to do a quick user training video over the VueIP vehicle capture module. The VeCap module allows you to take pictures of customers' vehicles, property, whatever you need when you receive that property or even when you give it back to the customer to protect yourself against damage accusations. The VeCap module is managed just through a normal web browser, so let's go ahead and let's log in with your user credentials here, and we'll show you how simple it is to take pictures and protect yourself from any kind of liability that can occur by working on someone else's property. And as you can see here, this customer has 4 cameras set up. They have a service bay. They bring their customer's vehicle in. They take a picture of all 4 sides, top and bottom, to make sure that there's no damage. Once they're ready to take a snapshot, all they have to do is reach up here and click on the snapshot button. If the snapshot button is not there, it's been minimized, and you can go over to the far right and then maximize it here to bring it back and give it the ability to click on it again. So let's go ahead and click on a snapshot. Once you click on the snapshot, you're going to have 2 dialog boxes you can fill out. One for the reference, for it to be how the snapshot will be searched for, and also the notes you want to put for each incident. So let's say a customer brought in, like here you can see I'm going to select customer 34322, and I would put my name, the tech Steve. Then I could go over here to the notes dialog box, and I could put anything in there if there was any damage or there's no damage, and then take the snapshot, save it, and this would provide the, if there, hopefully there's no liability or litigation you have to go through, but this is great for proving to your customer, hey, there was no damage when we took the the vehicle in and when we left. So you can see here it inserted into the database, and once again, by the reference documentation that you've entered, that's how you're going to search for it. And if you want to save it, and let's say you want to upload it to your CRM, just right click on the image, and you can actually pull that image into your customer's database, your CRM or whatever, sales database you're using. If you have to go back and research, go click on the snapshots up top. It'll list all your images. And if you want to, let's say you have thousands of these, it's real easy to search. Just go search by that criteria you put in. And once again, we're doing it by the reference customer ID that we used. And once again, this is customizable to you, whatever you want to put in there. And that would give us the ability to go back and link and click on it and see the image and get more greater detail and prove to the customer, hey, there was no damage when you gave it to us. There was no damage when it left. Here's the proof that we have. So once again, my name is Steve Baker. I appreciate your time. This was a quick user training. If you have video, if you have any more questions, please reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. And once again, we thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.